Nigeria is the biggest black nation in the world, with approximately 30% of our youths unemployed. This is alarming and has become a source of concern. According to the survey conducted by National Bureau of Statistics, youth employment rate in Nigeria increased to 25.2% in the fourth quarter of 2016 from 25%. As the global community develops the new Sustainable Development Goals to be achieved by 2030, it is important to target and empower the Nigerian youth below the age of 30. The implication is that these youths need to transition to the next level by acquiring information and communication technology skills, which plays an important role by contributing to rapid technological progress and productivity growth. On a bright Monday morning, the 17th of July, marked the launch of a life-changing program, the YouthMobile Initiative, powered by UNESCO in partnership with FCTA and supported by Microsoft and Samsung. The launch witnessed a large number of Nigerian youths who were carefully selected on merit on the Batch 1 program to study hardware, software, and entrepreneurship in ICT. Present at the event were the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Malam Mohammed Bello, the Regional Director UNESCO, Yao Ydo, amongst representatives from Microsoft and Samsung.
Agriculture, ICT, these are areas where you can provide massive employment.
Google, Chrome, or any browser that you have on your system, then type this thing, then you take your assessment test. Your test starts now. Thank you, guys.
The UNESCO FCTA YouthMobile Initiative seeks to provide employment in ICT for the teeming youth in Nigeria through the development of mobile apps, introduction to software, networking, hardware, and entrepreneurship in ICT.
The YouthMobile Initiative is a UNESCO initiative that began 2014 and is part of the communication and information sector's activity. What we did is that we are actually looking at how we can collaborate with the government of Nigeria. And since UNESCO Abuja is based in Abuja, we felt let us start from home. I met with my colleagues in the office. We tried to put one or two information together relating to YouthMobile and see how the Federal Capital Territory can partner with UNESCO. This journey began in December 2016, where we met with the team in FCTA and discussed the issue relating to YouthMobile with them, because the idea we have at the back of our mind is that YouthMobile will be able to create employment for the teeming youth in the country. The idea is to make sure that we train and empower about 400 youth within FCT. But our focus is on the girls, the women.
Aisha Abdullahi Muhammad has been selected on the UNESCO FCTA YouthMobile Initiative. She is hopeful that this program will open new frontiers for her.
This is a very good and great opportunity for the youth. But most of our graduates are graduates and they don't have much job to do. So with this program, I guess it will help a lot.
Likewise, Olanrewaju Adeyeye is a town planner. He plans to apply ICT to his field. He looks forward to studying hardware.
Computer age now, we need ICT to get across to the world, because gone are the days that you want to speak with your people abroad or anywhere, go and queue on the land phone. But these days, it's no more like that. Right on your phone, you can message anywhere as if you are seeing the person one-on-one. And I believe that ICT can be applicable to any profession, can be helpful.
22-year-old Fatima Ishak Nimtelahi starts her day to make up young ladies in her neighborhood. She is one of the beneficiaries of the UNESCO YouthMobile Initiative. She is a makeup artist for brides-to-be. Fatima is a graduate from one of Nigeria's prestigious universities, but a lack of securing a job after graduation led her to seek her love for the makeup business.
First started with my neighbors, friends, family members. So I was making them up for just 500 naira. So when some don't even have enough money, they pay 300, or later on they'll pay half and pay the remaining half later on. Just freelance, to at least get something doing instead of sitting down doing nothing.
But Fatima has her eyes on something bigger for her business. She has just developed an application for her makeup business. It is an interactive platform which connects ladies to makeup trainings, cosmetic shops, and an easy access to book makeup sessions with Fatima online.
First day I was just staring at the computer. I wasn't really that sure of what I was going to do, and I was about to give up, but well, still kept trying, and today now I can use HTML, CSS and JavaScript to design a website, a web page, and I'm hoping to become a better developer.
Each of the tags we'll be using in HTML.
Toby Oseni, one of the senior facilitators at the UNESCO FCTA YouthMobile Initiative, takes us down memory lane on Fatima's first time in class.
When Fatima came in that Monday morning, she was completely clueless of what we wanted to do. She had a computer, but all she could do with it was watch movies. And we were not exactly sure we could even run the HTML JavaScript curriculum with her, because we were faced with teaching her where hat was on the keyboard. And today, all of that has changed. She's able to write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Fatima has done well for herself. Born into an Islamic background, her parents have been her source of support. They believe that quality education and opportunities for the girl child is the right step in the right direction.
I felt elated, I felt happy that she was selected among those that will benefit from this program. And even though she has been to school, because she's opportune to have elite parents, so I was entertaining some fear that she might not be able to cook, but all the same, since she's intelligent, I feel any opportunity she's exposed to, she will be able to cook, because she already has the background, foundation from the home. Now, education is a child's birthright.
So that people find it easier to find them there.
It has now been 8 weeks of intensive training at the UNESCO FCTA YouthMobile Initiative. Fatima has just completed her 8 weeks course in software mobile application development. She is now a certified software engineer, and she looks forward to expanding her business to greater heights. Olushola Macaulay, the National Professional Officer, UNESCO Abuja, shares that the YouthMobile Initiative shall be sustained.
What we have done is to make sure that the graduates, the youth, do not just come and go. We created for them a hub where when they have completed their training, they can come back, because it's a 2-month training for a set of for first batch, second batch, and so on and so forth.
Specifically for outfit for fashion. Just fashion.
Yeah.
So
Intellectual theft is also a major concern in Nigeria.
The ownership in terms of the legal aspect of it, there's little UNESCO will be able to do apart from we engaging with the government to make sure that a particular view that develop and have is protected in terms of owning the legal right of it, the legal status of it, so that a company or an organization that is big somewhere cannot just take it away from him or from the young lady that had developed this.
As the jQuery function and Ajax that is working here. So here is showing the item that you've added to cart.
The graduates of the first batch are glad to be Nigeria's next batch of self-employed skilled ICT technicians. This would not have been without the UNESCO FCTA YouthMobile Initiative.
I personally developed a software for the healthcare sector, and I hope to keep working on it to bring it to a stage where it could go commercial.
My IT skills before was like, I can only type. I don't know what the components, I don't even know what it's all about. I don't know anything at all that is in the system. But now, I can confidently dismantle a system and fix it back. I can confidently network computers to work.
Please also use this medium to thank UNESCO, FCTA, and every Samsung, Microsoft for their. It was very wonderful. I really enjoyed it. They really supported us in a very big way. And the facilitators that taught us, those guys were amazing.